What is up, guys? Another day, another car vlogs. So first day sa ato ang Hyundai Venue manual transmission. So it's Sunday, so we are going to buy some stocks, some foods for the whole week for us to consume. So join with us, with me, my camera woman, my wife, of course. So this is it, our brand new Hyundai Venue manual transmission. Look around. So 6-speed. So thank you so much to Hyundai Dumaguete, especially to Ma'am Doren, so for giving us 2,000 worth of gasoline yesterday. So thank you. Shout out to Hyundai Dumaguete, especially to Ma'am Doren. So POV ta guys sa driver side. Okay. So welcome to Barangay Panyabunan, guys. This is Barangay Panyabunan, Mabinay, Negros Oriental. On the right side is the Highland Resort sa una, but now it is closed. And our RHU health unit. And on the left side, BPT MNHS, my alma mater, our alma mater with my wife. Yeah. So this is our parish, guys, the Our Mother of Perpetual Help parish. Our parish priest is Father Harnil Pulin. Shout out to you, Father. Thank you sa pag-blessing sa ato ang unit ganiha. After the mass, Father Pauline blessed our unit, so for us to have protection, blessings from, of course, from God, who give everything that we have, everything that is good, everything that is beautiful, everything that is true comes from God. So we always need His protection and blessing, guys. So thanks so much, Father Harnil Pulin, the instrument of God, for blessing our Hyundai Venue manual transmission. So alright, guys, so this was our load at the back of our Hyundai Venue ganina. When we were buying some stocks, we load this at the back of our Hyundai Venue. This is 50 kg, so kayang-kaya ra. And then also this. Okay, this one. And 2 boxes of groceries. All of it kayang-kaya lang sa ato ang Hyundai Venue. Goods to goods. Alright, so that was it. Our Sunday, our first Sunday with our Hyundai Venue manual transmission was very, very, very good, very satisfactory. The 1.6 liter engine is very, very reliable. As you can see, ganiha, we have loaded stuffs like one sack of hog starter that was 50 kilograms, and also 2 cartons of groceries, bugat po to. And then also 10 kilograms of rice and other small stuffs ato ang gikarga sa ato ang Hyundai Venue 1.6 manual transmission. It's very, very good. Approved. 2 thumbs up for Hyundai Venue 1.6 manual transmission. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you next vlog. Bye.